it's Cyrus, and welcome to this improvised meditation for, I have no idea, it's going to be improvised, so I guess we'll find out together. Go ahead and close your eyes, find a comfortable position. Take a slow, gentle breath in through your nose. And relax deeply. Or don't. Whatever you notice is fine. Whether you feel relaxed or whether you don't, just notice. Connect to your body as if it speaks a different language than your mind. And the only way to connect to that language is to listen, so just listen to your body for a moment. And imagine like it's speaking to you and just notice what it's saying. And just acknowledge what it's saying. And notice how your body responds to you acknowledging what it's communicating to you. And notice your mind, whether it seems to be speaking in sentences or images or fragmented bursts of intuitive awareness. Just notice how your mind is producing thoughts in this moment. Get curious and notice, are you steering the thoughts, or are the thoughts just happening and appearing like ink blots on a page? And notice what happens if you watch the thoughts, however they're presenting, with a non-judgmental awareness, the same way that a loving parent would watch a child at play, watching your thoughts the same way. And now notice what you're holding on to. Maybe you're aware of precisely what you're holding on to, or maybe you only have a vague sense of it, but just notice. And notice if there's a reason you're hanging on to it, without judgment. Just notice. And whether you choose to continue to hang on completely or somewhat, or whether you choose to let go, notice how it feels to consciously hang on or consciously let go. And now remember a time when you felt like you were in the golden river of life and you could do no wrong and things were just flowing your way, and there was just a magic that flowed through you in the moment that you couldn't quite explain, but you could feel it. And just notice, was that magic, that flow, happening because of what was going on outside of you or inside of you? See if you can get a sense, if you had to guess. And to whatever extent it was happening within you, just imagine like you could start to bring more of that energy to your life, regardless of what's happening outside of you. Envision what that would look like and feel how that feels in your body as you see it. And notice what happens as you open yourself to receiving that magic, that flow more and more frequently, as if it isn't reserved for just those memories and moments of your life compartmentalized away, but something that can become commonplace as you open yourself to it more and more. Notice the sense of possibility and wonder that opens up within you. A sense of those qualities multiplying upon themselves as you receive them and enjoy them. And as you open to that flow, I invite you to notice what the best version of you feels like. Not the thought, but the feeling. How does that version of you carry yourself? How does it feel and radiate out of your body to be that version of yourself? And see if you can get a sense if instead of this being an alter ego or a mask that you put on, see if you can tell whether this is the truest and deepest version of yourself. Not reasoning or thinking your way through that, but just sensing whether that's true. And if there is any truth to it, feel the masks and the baggage dropping away. Feel yourself embodying that best version of yourself right now, allowing yourself to feel that energy emanating within and through you. Allowing yourself to carry yourself with whatever those qualities are in this moment in a felt sense. And just imagine like you want everyone in the world to be super happy, super at peace, super full of joy and bliss, regardless of whether that feels true. Just imagine for a moment as an experiment, if it feels good, that is the case, that is what you want for everyone and everything. And just notice how your heart feels, how your body feels as you hold that intention in mind as an experiment. Allow that feeling, that intention to amplify and grow stronger and more expansive so that it reaches every living being and thing in the universe. And include yourself in that. Allow yourself to feel those well wishes, that desire for yourself to feel joy and love and peace and bliss. Feel all the cells of your body vibrating. Feel the entire field of energy that surrounds you in infinite space vibrating with that same aliveness as you connect with it. And notice how it feels to feel yourself as a distinct body and entity in the world, and simultaneously to feel an almost indistinguishable closeness to everyone and everything in the world, to hold those two things simultaneously. Allow your body to relax into a state of soft and supple openness if it feels good, as though your heart is opening with a sense of warmth towards everyone in the world. And visualize yourself connecting with everyone as though you're seeing yourself, meeting a reflection of you on a deep and divine level, while simultaneously being fully grounded within yourself. Notice how it feels to move back into the world in this way with this conscious intention, and take a breath when you feel ready at your pace. Open your eyes. Feel your body relaxed and your heart open, your mind flowing and at ease. And thank you for taking this time with me today to take time for yourself. I hope you have a beautiful day. I love you.